Thank you to Peace Nest for sponsoring a portion of today's video.
Step into a soldier. Just joking. Step into a built bar. Yummy. Alright, well, I'm trying, y'all. No, it's not mukbang. It's me multitasking. Okay, so I'm gonna do round 2 of this video. So, we've got the Ipsy Glambag X that we are going to be unboxing. Oh my gosh, I am pretty excited about this. I finally found some information. That won't make sense, but what I was going to, or what I was trying to do, like 7 minutes, I was trying to log into my Ipsy account. It wasn't working, so I actually found some information on a different website to show you all this Ipsy Glambag X. So before we jump into today's video, hello, welcome, my name's Rhonda, and over here we're all about embracing the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we play, we talk, we keep it cute, we put it on mute. And there is another giveaway coming up very, very soon. I'm actually going to jump off and film that after I get done with this box unboxing. Katrina from Michigan. That was our last winner. Her winnings have already shipped out. So be watching for the next giveaway video coming up very soon. If you guys are new to the channel, I have been doing weekly giveaways over here to give back to you all, to thank you all for your love and support. And I have done it in a way that it is working out amazingly. So stick around, subscribe, because you obviously have to be a subscriber in order to see the giveaways. Before we jump into today's Ipsy Glambag X unboxing, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and I definitely, most definitely appreciate you all.
Thank you to today's sponsor, Peace Nest. Peace Nest is one of the best bedding brands in the world, focusing on creating 100% eco-friendly and sustainable bedding for your bedroom. It provides the most comfortable comforters, blankets, and pillows for everyone. This is the 3-piece Sherpa comforter. I did get a queen size in the shade gray. It's absolutely amazing because it's so cozy. It's perfect for these crazy Kentucky nights where you don't know if it's going to be a bone-chilling 30 degrees or a comfortable 50 degrees either way. And yes, I say comfortable because your girl loves to be cozy and snuggled up in this Sherpa bedding. It is reversible and it's machine washable as well. You're going to also receive the 2 pillow shams that are also reversible. And quick little side note, if you have sensory disorder like your girl, this Sherpa is so flippin' soft. It's literally like sleeping on a cloud. No dry skin is gonna grip it or anything. So thank you again to PeaceNet for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you're interested in picking up yours and sleeping on a cloud, check my description box down below.
Seriously, that comforter is the absolute most coziest comforter ever. My 18-year-old saw the comforter, felt the comforter, and claimed the comforter. It is so flippin' cozy. I'm telling you, definitely make sure to check it out. I'll have it linked in my description box down below. Thank you again to Peace Nest for sponsoring this portion of today's video. One last shout out, because it's getting close to the time when Martha is no longer gonna have her fall collection. Oh, you know what? Shout out and thank you to Sarah. She actually broke it down for me this morning that I'm filming this video for you all. I have already burned the last of the pumpkin spices almost out in dulce leche. Okay, so you all know I can't say dulce leche, okay? Well, Sarah broke it down this morning. It's actually dulce de leche. Probably still butchered that, but I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Dulce de leche. And that candle smells amazing. And I got witch's brew. Oh my gosh, the yummy goodness. Definitely make sure to check out Martha over at the Good Candle. Code HOTMESS is going to save you 15% over there. And let's go ahead and jump in. Now, I was looking around. There is no like pamphlet that they normally send in this particular one, which is a bummer. So I was able to find over on a website that the Ipsy Glambag X is for November 2022, is a collaboration with singer, actress, and Treloose Beauty founder and BTS friend Becky G. I will leave the website I'm reading this from down in my description box for you all. It says your Glambag X will include 8 products and may include the following among, and then she's got a picture and everything. You're gonna get 8 products and it's gonna cost $58 for this box. Now, because this was sent over in PR, I did not get to choose anything or pick anything, which is totally fine. I get what I get and I don't throw a fit, but it's always fun to talk to you all about it. So this is very much full of a bunch of goodies, which I don't know what is her picks and what was just curated for me. But the first item is the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. This is a calming facial toner, and it's good for delicate skin. And I love Elemis products. I just love skincare in general. So definitely excited. Oh, it's in like a spray pump. So that's really nice. And Elemis is expensive. So you don't, now just keep in mind, if you don't want to spritz it all over your face, you can always just spritz it into like a reusable or a cotton round and put it, apply it on your face that way. For me, I'm gonna just spritz it into one of my reusable washable rounds and then, oh wait, sidetracking. If you guys like my eyeshadow, follow me over on Instagram, because if it's not already up, it's coming soon. The premium unboxing that I did with the Gerard Cosmetics the Moment palette, that's what's on my eyes. I love it. Like, for someone who's scared of blue, I'm out here playing with it, enjoying it. All right, the next item in here is by Penrose. It's a perfume. It's a Secret Genius website. Are you kidding me? Sure enough, it's a perfume. Let's see, let's spritz it on here first. Oh, okay. What does that smell like? That smells like a bougie perfume. Dang, I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see if there's any information on here. No. Okay, did you all pick out the Penrose, or was this her selection? I don't know, but that smells amazing. Next in here we have the Treloose Beauty Liquid Lip Tint in Electric. You know, I've tried quite a bit of the Treloose Beauty products, but I haven't tried this one, and I'm not gonna, because I don't know. Is it a gloss? It's a tint, so it's probably doable, but I just put my Rare Beauty one on for my premium box, and I kind of really like it, especially with this eye look. I'm one where I don't want my lips and my eyes to fight, so I'm gonna save that for later. Next in here we have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna body sauce in Honey. I love Fenty Beauty. Oh yes, ma'am. I don't even care if that's dark. I'll put that on my legs. That is pretty. Let's put a little bit on my hand. Oh, I got too much. Doggone it. I don't think there's a scent because I smell that perfume, but that's going to be pretty. That's almost like a body makeup. So definitely use that for your legs. I don't know if this was a choice or not, but uh-oh. I think I just got it on my shirt. But if this was a choice, did it come in other colors? I feel very not knowledgeable for you all. I'm very sorry. Just know that if these weren't your choice items, these are potentially some of the items that you will see in this Ipsy X. I love this brand. This is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Professional Styling Perfect Ion Spray. It's a heat protectant. This brand, I shouldn't say this stuff, but this brand is amazing. I don't know if there was a lid. Yes, there was. It just fell off. I will tell you all, I'm very scared at looking at all these products because I literally listened to my USPS man chuck it onto my porch. Like, chucked it onto my porch. And I was like, was that necessary? Dang. Anywho's, but Alterna literally brought my hair back to life. Like I think it was 2011. I had gone on, I'm gonna tangent, I'm Gemini ADHD, first word of the channel name, hot mess. So anyways, I had tried out, maybe it was even like 2010, that Depot shot. wreaked havoc on my body. I swear, it was the weirdest thing in the world. My hair was probably down to here, and I wasn't even bleaching it at the time. It was my natural color back here. From here, it was like it started down here and worked its way up of just breakage, falling out. My hair, it was the weirdest thing, crazy. And my mom's hairdresser had said, Rhonda, try Alterna, because my mom was telling her about it, like how it had wreaked havoc on my body. And she said, try Caviar by Alterna. And so I used their shampoo, their conditioner, and it was, well, going off of the shot helped me, but the Alterna helped my hair so flippin' much. It was awful. I literally gained, I kid you not, like 50 or 60 pounds in 3 months. It was insane. It was awful for my body, but I digress. Good brand, like it, love to see it. All right, next in here, I guess this was a choice, and it's like an Ipsy bag, which I've seen a lot of people complaining that the whole purpose of Ipsy, or the whole thing with Ipsy, is the fact that it's a bag filled with goodies in here. It started with like a $10 bag, which is now I think like $16 back in the day, and you get a little bag full of little goodies. And then they came out with the Ipsy Plus, which was the same thing. You'd get full-size products filled in a bag. And then, I mean, I know that my 22-year-old daughter even says, like, okay, the whole thing of Ipsy is the goodies get in a bag. And for me personally, I kind of feel like if you're gonna give me a bag, it shouldn't be my choice. I just, you know what I mean? Like, don't take that and put that as like one of my picks. I want it to just be, you know, I want my cake and eat it too. Anyways, next in here, we've got some brushes. Oh, this is interesting. It's interesting because look at these things. So who is this by? Farrah. It's Farrah brushes. So this is like, is it a spot? No, okay, so it's definitely like a harder bristled synthetic brush that you can put like your foundation on with, or a facial mask. Then you've got this cool little doodad, and it's like a roller ball. Do you guys see that? It's like a roller ball to like apply your under eye serums. These are actually really, really nice. And then this one is like a spatula side, and then a side that you can like put your cleansers on, which these are nice because typically with them being silicone, they're not going to breed all the gunk, the bacteria and stuff. So I actually really like that. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know if this was a choice or not, so you'll have to let your girl know. Then we have the Herbivore Pink Cloud Soft Moisture Cream. I think I've tried this and I actually like this. There's a couple Herbivore products I've tried out and I actually really like. The retinol one though was a little too hard. It's like bok choy or something. That one was a little too harsh for my skin, but this one I'm definitely down to try out. So you can use this in the morning and in the evening. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I was giving you the other side. It's very cute. I'm filming much later in the day, guys, and I feel like I'm like not as, I think my coffee's wearing off. Oh, this is what I was going to show you. This is it. And it's empty, so I'm going to put things in it. All right, and then the last item in here is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Smells Like Peaches. I actually already own this palette because Haley purchased it for me a while back, I think for my birthday or Mother's Day, and not long after it came out. It's one of those palettes I will never get rid of because, oh, thank God it's not broken. And it still smells like a peach. She bought it, I think she was like 16, 17 when she bought it for me. So yeah, it's sentimental, but very pretty. It's so funny because I remember when she gave this to me, I used to use it all the time. It's fun to go back and reminisce and use those products again. You kind of forget. So yeah, this is a good palette. I think a lot of people will like this, and I'll actually put this in a future giveaway because like I said, I already have one and I like to share the love. So that is everything in this particular variation for the Ipsy Glambag X. Now keep in mind, you would have picked a few of these items, and then the other ones would have been curated for you based off of your profile, is how they say that they do it. I mean, in all honesty, I'm a little shocked because it's not much makeup. And with Becky G being a makeup brand owner, I kind of was expecting a bit more Treloose products. The standout product for me is definitely this perfume. I love the way it smells. It definitely has like a mature scent to it, but I like it. And I think I love this eyeshadow palette, so I know this is already a good one, but I'm a little surprised with how little makeup is in here. What are y'all's thoughts? Definitely like to know y'all's thoughts down below. Anyways, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna film the giveaway video, so that's gonna be coming up very, very soon. If you have received your Ipsy Glambag X, let me know, what was the choices? What was Ipsy's choices? What was your choices? Because typically, like I said, we get a little pamphlet, and your girl didn't get a pamphlet this time. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for plus size cover girl fashion hauls over there. I'm actually probably gonna go film a try on haul for that as well. But if you like these like beach waves, y'all, Ipsy has open, I think their add-ons. BoxyCharm has their drop shop open right now. It's the complex culture, like it looks like 3 curling irons together. That's what I use to get these beach waves. Something different, something better than straight, and I love it. I love this look. I think it's so fun. So anywho, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA4, and thank you once again to Peace Nest for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Make sure to check my description box down below to pick up your 3-piece comforter set as well. It is super, super comfortable. You guys are gonna love it. Once again, all information will be down in the description box down below. If you are curious about my makeup, all of my base makeup is my SEINT cream products. If you want a free color match, there is a link down below. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.
But guess